Hello students, welcome in your online English class. Class, today we are going to continue chapter 3 related to the topic articles and determiners. And today is the turn of exercises. Let us start our exercise number 3.1. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with the article or mark cross if no article is needed. So the rules you have read, you have to apply them in the exercise. So let's start. I don't usually like staying at dash hotels. Now we are talking about the plural ones, so no article will be applied. But last summer we spent a few days at dash very nice hotel by dash sea. At a very nice hotel. You are talking about a singular noun. By the sea. By the sea. You can write it in a darker manner. Next is dash tennis is my favorite sport. I play once or twice dash week. Now we know that with the names of the games we apply no article. I play only once or twice a week. If I can, but I'm not dash very good player. But I'm not a very good player. Singular noun is here. Okay class. Next is I won't be home for dash dinner. With the name of the meals, no article. This evening I'm meeting some friends after dash work, uncountable noun, and we are going to cinema, and we are going to the cinema. Is it okay? At number 4 we are having dash unemployment is very high at the moment. So unemployment is very high at the moment. General opinion you are presenting, and it's very difficult for people to find work. So no article will be applied in sentence number 4. Number 5, there was dash accident. There was an accident. As I was going home last night, okay, as I was going home last night, 2 people were taken to hospital. Hospital लेकर गए थे उन लोगों को. I think most accidents are caused by people driving too fast. Next is Carol is dash economist. Carol क्या है? An economist, starting with the vowel E, and moreover it is giving the sound of the vowel. You have to be very careful. She used to work in dash investment department. She used to work in the investment department of Lloyds Bank. Now she works for dash American bank. She works for an American bank in dash United States. In the United States. Okay, if you are writing USA, even then you will apply article the. If you are writing the United States, you will apply the article the. At number 7 class, we are having what's dash name of dash hotel? Where are you staying? So we see what is the name? What is the name of the hotel? Now होटल जो है स्पेशल है क्योंकि आप उसी होटल में ठहरे हैं. So what is the name of the hotel where you are staying? Dash Imperial. Now the answer is coming the Imperial. The Imperial. Is it okay? It is in Queen Street in the city center. It's near the station. At number 8 we are having I have 2 brothers. 2 भाई हैं. Dash older one. The older one जो बड़ा है वो क्या कर रहा है? Is training to be अ पायलट, वो पायलट बनने की ट्रेनिंग ले रहा है विथ ब्रिटिश एयरवेज. Dash younger one is still. Next, the younger one is still at school. When he leaves school, he hopes to go to university to study law. So class, this was your exercise number 3.1. I hope it's quite clear to you. Now let's move forward for exercise number 3.2. Wait. Yes class. Put in a, an or the means articles where necessary. If no word is necessary, put a cross mark. So let's start. Where did you have lunch? Now with the names of the meals, no article, so cross is there. We went to a restaurant. Okay. Next is at number 2 we are having, did you have dash nice holiday? Did you have a nice holiday? Yes, it was dash best holiday I have ever had. So now you are seeing that superlative degree is applied. So it was the best holiday. Okay, it was not only nice, it was the best. Next is, where's dash nearest shop? Now where is the nearest shop? Again superlative degree. There's one at the end of the street. जहाँ पर सड़क ख़त्म होती है वहाँ पर एक शॉप है. नेक्स्ट इज, डू यू ऑफन लिसन टू डैश रेडियो? डू यू ऑफन लिसन टू द रेडियो? आप अक्सर सुनते हो? क्या आप अक्सर सुनते हो? नो, नहीं. इनफैक्ट आई हैवंट गॉट अ रेडियो. कहता है यहाँ तक कि मेरे पास तो एक रेडियो भी नहीं है. वुड यू लाइक टू ट्रेवल इन डैश स्पेस? So, would you like to travel in space? Yes. I would love to go to the moon. Now, specific thing has come. Unique thing has come of related to our cosmos. Students, Earth, Moon, stars, इन सबको हम unique common noun बोलते हैं. All these things relate to unique common noun. Unique means जो सबसे हटकर हो. Next is, do you go to dash cinema very often? So we will go, do you go to the cinema very often? No, not very often, but I watch a lot of films on television. No article will be applied here. Next है, it was a nice day. You are talking about a singular noun. It was a nice day. Yesterday, wasn't it? Yes, it was beautiful. We went for a walk by the sea. Okay. Next is, what did you have for dash breakfast this morning? Again with meals, no article. Nothing, I never eat breakfast. Simple. Next, can you tell me where dash room 25 is, please? Can you tell me where रूम नंबर 25 इज प्लीज? इट्स ऑन द सेकेंड फ्लोर. ये कहाँ पर है? इट्स ऑन द सेकेंड फ्लोर. ये सेकेंड फ्लोर पर है. वी स्पेंट ऑल आवर मनी बिकॉज वी स्टेड एट द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव होटल. द सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म. नेक्स्ट इज, इन टाउन वाई डिडंट यू स्टे एट dash cheaper hotel? At a cheaper hotel. So class, this was your exercise number 3.2. Let's go for exercise number 3.3. So here we are with the exercise. Choose the most appropriate option. Options are given. We have to choose according to the given sentences. So let us start. Dash principal gave him dash warning. So principal के साथ always and always. The principal gave him a warning. Here we are applying tick. Later on you can fill them by your own. Next is, I saw dash kite flying in dash sky. I saw a kite flying in the sky. He went to dash market and bought dash an umbrella. So automatically he went to the market and bought an umbrella. Next is her father is dash doctor. Her father is a doctor and mother is dash engineer. Now class, you have to be careful. Some students, they do her father is a doctor, so they will go with this option. No, it's cross. You have to read the full-fledged sentence first. Her father is a doctor and mother is an engineer. Option number D is correct because engineer starting with the vowel E and producing the vowelic sound. At number 5 we are having Jakarta is dash capital city of dash Asian country. So Jakarta is the capital city of an Asian country. This option is correct. Option number B. Next is dash Ganges. इसको गंगास है वैसे. The Gangas flows into the Bay of Bengal. Some people pronunciate it Ganges. The Ganga flows into the Bay of Bengal. I found dash advertisement of dash electric car in a newspaper. I found an advertisement, vowelic sound, of an electric car in a newspaper. So you will go with this option. At number 8 class we are having dash higher you go dash cooler it is. So the higher you go, the cooler it is. Next is please insert dash 1 rupee coin into dash box. So please insert. यहाँ पर आप sound O से start है. Vowelic A E I O U. Vowel is there, but is it giving the vowelic sound? No. In articles you have to go with the sounds. V. It is giving the sound V. V stands for V. So it is a consonant. Please insert a 1 rupee coin into the box. This option is correct. Next is she is dash MA from dash University of Boston. So we will go she is an MA from the University of Boston. She is an MA. Option number D is correct. So class, these were your exercises 3.1 to 3.3. I hope the exercises is quite clear to you. Keep on learning, keep on watching. Thanks for watching the video. Good.